Here's my fire pit. As you can see, it got away from me. I had to get a little help from the fire department. They saved the old outhouse. Kind of wish that burned. They saved the old house. Glad that didn't burn down, but sure burnt a lot of grass. Burnt the ditch. A little bit into the bush. What a mess. I'm glad it didn't cross the road. Oh, the ravens are on picking up all the bird mice.